Investors seeking to learn more about IoT stocks in 2023 can start here. Look toward the biggest names when seeking promising IoT stocks for 2023. Skyworks Solutions, the IoT chip maker, is a strong choice for the connectivity of everything. Honeywell. Honeywell stock should rise as 2023 guidance receives a lift. Johnson Controls. Johnson Controls has been involved in IoT before it was known as AOT. Let's dive in. Here are the 3 most promising IoT stocks to buy in 2023. Welcome to Timely Investment Research. We are moving toward a future in which everything that can be fixed with software, sensors, and data monitors will be. This idea is referred to as the Internet of Things, or IoT. Naturally, many investors are interested in IoT stocks due to the growth potential in companies related to this field. The global IoT market is expected to grow by 19% in 2023. That figure accounts for lowered expectations as economic worries factor heavily. However, experts also predict a doubling of the 2023 IoT market by 2027. The opportunity is clearly massive, leading to curiosity regarding leading firms in the space. Let's look at a few of the more prominent IoT stocks investors should be watching. Number 1. Skyworks Solutions. First on this list of IoT stocks to buy really isn't an Internet of Things company at all. Skyworks Solutions is broadly known as a semiconductor stock. The company manufactures a number of products with technical names. However, it is in essence an IoT-heavy chip company. The company's website is full of messaging all related to IoT technology and growth opportunity. Indeed, Skyworks appears to be heavily involved in this space. The company serves firms that produce connected devices, explicitly aiming to capitalize on 5G and IoT opportunities. Notably, Skyworks Solutions sells multiple front-end modules across connected home, industrial, medical, smart energy, and wearables end markets. The company's cellular architecture serves to connect all of the data its sensors gather. It's clear that the company is at the forefront of the IoT sector. Of course, that alone doesn't make it investment-worthy. However, there are a lot of reasons to believe it is worthy of investor capital. Currently, I think Skyworks Solutions stock is severely undervalued, looking at the company's price-to-earnings ratio for 1. Indeed, given the company's strong growth, profitability, and excellent valuation, it's an IoT stock worth buying here. Number 2. Honeywell. In discussing Honeywell stock, let's begin with its recent earnings report, released April 27th. Those results were very strong, with the company beating guidance across the board on all metrics. That strong performance led management to raise full-year guidance for sales, adjusted earnings per share, and segment margins. Sales increased by 6% to $8.9 billion, with especially strong earnings per share of $2.07, which were 11 cents above the high end of the analyst range. Importantly, demand at Honeywell remains very strong with a $30.3 billion backlog. The company has customers lining up out the door. Honeywell's building technologies and performance materials and technologies business lines performed well. Both have a strong presence in IoT. Its safety business was the sole declining segment, but its sensing sub-business performed well within that segment. That is a clear indicator that IoT growth will remain important for the firm. Honeywell Aerospace performed particularly well as commercial airline demand was strong in the period. Number 3. Johnson Controls. Johnson Controls stock offers a lot of upside to investors currently. Johnson Controls stock offers approximately 23% upside based on its consensus analyst target price and dividends, assuming an investor holds it for a year or more. Johnson Controls is one of the leading firms in IoT and, according to the company, has been engaged in IoT work for 2 to 3 decades. Johnson Controls has been connecting systems and products for analytical purposes for decades. One example is the company's smart connected chillers products. These monitor analytics related to cooling systems that are responsible for as much as half of building energy use. But Johnson Controls' IoT products span a much broader range of solutions, including HVAC, security, industrial refrigeration, digital solutions, and energy, to name a few. The stock benefits from a strong revenue growth rate over the past 3-year period. That's among several strong metrics that favor Johnson Controls stock as an investment. Accordingly, it's also a pretty stable stock to invest in while gaining exposure to the long-term growth IoT should provide. Thanks for spending some time with us today, Timely Investment Research. We're so glad you did. If you found value in today's video, please give us a like, hit that bell icon to never miss an upload, and hey, don't forget to subscribe.